Turkish Delight. Authentic Turkish Manti recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Turkey. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the vibrant flavors of Turkey. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to discover the secrets of making authentic Turkish Manti. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's get started and dive into the world of Turkish cuisine. To create this delightful Turkish Manti, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients. For the dough, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup water. Plus more if needed. For the filling, 250 grams ground beef or lamb, 1 small onion, finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper. To taste. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 cup water, salt. To taste. For serving, plain yogurt, red pepper flakes. Optional. Fresh parsley, chopped. Now, let's embark on our Turkish culinary journey. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Gradually add water and knead until a smooth and elastic dough forms. If the dough feels dry, add a little more water, a tablespoon at a time. Cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 2. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, mix together the ground beef or lamb, chopped onion, minced garlic, ground cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Combine well until all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. Step 3. On a floured surface, roll out the dough into a thin sheet. Cut the dough into small squares, about 2 by 2 inches in size. Place a small amount of the filling in the center of each square. Step 4. Fold the corners of the dough squares to the center, pinching the edges to seal the dumplings. Continue until all the dough squares are filled and sealed, forming tiny pockets of deliciousness. Step 5. Now, let's prepare the sauce. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the tomato paste and stir until well combined. Pour in the water and season with salt. Stir the sauce gently and let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. Step 6. While the sauce simmers, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Carefully add the Manti to the boiling water and cook them until they float to the surface, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Step 7. Using a slotted spoon, remove the cooked Manti from the pot and transfer them to a serving dish. Step 8. To serve, arrange the Manti on a plate. Drizzle the tomato sauce over the Manti, and add a generous dollop of plain yogurt on top. You can sprinkle some red pepper flakes for a hint of heat and garnish with fresh chopped parsley. And there you have it. Mouth-watering Turkish Manti. The delicate dumplings filled with seasoned meat, bathed in a savory sauce, and topped with creamy yogurt create a flavor explosion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey to Turkey. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Turkish Manti. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Afiyet olsun and happy cooking!